The 8 parts of speech in English are: noun, which names people, places, things, or ideas. For example, John is reading a book. Pronoun replaces a noun, like in the sentence, she loves ice cream. A verb shows action or state of being, as in they run every morning. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun, such as in the beautiful garden is full of flowers. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb, like he speaks softly. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word, for example, the book is on the table. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses, as in I wanted to go out, but it was raining. An interjection expresses sudden emotion, like wow. That's amazing. Each part of speech plays a key role in sentence construction and meaning. That's lesson 2. Have fun as we are going on a great journey with English. Like, subscribe, and comment for more updates to help you with your English learning. Thanks for watching.